Welcome to another Kara & Co tutorial. In this video, we're showing you how to customize your own bead purse handle. All the bead supplies you need can be found on our website. Bead purse handles are the perfect way to upcycle an old bag or glam up your little one's play purse. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started. To make a beaded purse handle, you will need crafting or jewelry wire. We used 20 gauge. 2 Kara & Co J-hook clips in the finish of your choice. Acrylic beads, and the number you use will depend on the size of the handle length you're doing. Pliers, which can be purchased as part of our tool set, and wire cutters, which can also be purchased as part of our tool set. You'll also need 1 kid's purse with a metal handle. To make your beaded purse handle, cut a length of wire for your purse handle. The length will depend on the size of your purse and how big your handle will need to be. Be sure also to include 4 extra inches of length to your wire. Wrap your wire around one of your J-hook clips. Once through, wrap the wire back up and around itself to ensure that it's tightly secured. String your beads on to the opposite end of your wire in your preferred order. Pull your wire around your second J-hook clip so that the beads are tight to the hook. Check over your beads to make sure that you're happy with the way that your handle is sitting. To finish the handle, wrap your wire around itself a few times to make sure that everything is secure. Trim your wire so that it's slightly shorter than the length of your bead. Feed the short end into the bead to hide it. You may need pliers for this step. Your purse handle is finished. Using your J-hooks, you can now add it to your bag and switch it out anytime you like. And there you have it, a brand new creative take on what to do with acrylic beads. If you try this tutorial, make sure you let us know. We love seeing what you create. Remember, make sure you also hit that subscribe button to be the first to see more tutorials and crafting inspiration from Kara & Co. Happy crafting!